Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at a powerful tool that can help you save time and get better results online. Make sure you watch this video.
Welcome to Memogram. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to navigate this incredible software. You can easily click on Create to set up your media collection page. On this editor page, you can customize your media collection page by choosing a theme, editing your page title, description, changing background color and image. You can also customize the other pages to fit your preference. Explore the Moderation tab, which helps you set up different permissions for your media collection page. For your screencast settings, you can also set up your media style for your live slideshow. You can also customize options available on the General settings, which includes the Page Translation button to choose your preferred language. Once you're done setting up your page, click on Publish to generate your unique QR code. When your customers or guests scan this QR code, they'll be directed to your customized media page to effortlessly share their photos, videos, audio notes, reviews, or testimonials. They can either upload a pre-recorded media from their phone or record directly from this page. Optionally, you can allow them to view the media shared by other customers or guests and even leave a comment. This makes it even more interactive and engaging. If your event venue or business has a large screen or projector, Memogram can display every uploaded photo and video in real time as a live slideshow, creating excitement, entertaining guests, and encouraging even more people to upload their moments. Back to the dashboard, we have a couple of menu options. My Pages, where all your created media collection pages are stored. My Media, this is where you view and manage all the media shared by your customers and guests. Advanced storage allows you to automatically save all the shared media on cloud storages like Google Drive, Dropbox, and pCloud. The Template section offers over 100 QR code banner templates for different events and businesses. And if you ever get stuck, the help desk is just a click away, ready to guide you. On the right top, you have My Profile, where you adjust the account settings, change your password, and other details. Need to navigate Memogram in your language? Click on the language box to switch to your preferred language. Need inside scoop, tips, updates, and support from fellow Memogram users? Click the Join Facebook group, and it takes you straight to our friendly private community. Hit join and come say hi. And that's a quick tour of Memogram, your digital space to collect and preserve memories that matter most.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to get started, check the link in the description to access this tool and claim your exclusive bonuses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,